Hi. Do you consider the future to be your friend? Are you looking forward to whatever it will bring? Hello, my name is Shmulik Merhav. I am exploring the phenomena that we call the future since 1985. In May 2012, this future hit me really hard. A neurologist told me that I have a second phase Parkinson's disease, describing a terrifying future. I was devastated for 2-3 weeks. Then I realized something. He hasn't visited my future. Nobody has, not even me. So nobody knows. I chose to decline the future he handed me, and I invented a new future for myself. A journey, a healing journey. Now, 13 years later, not only is my condition much better, but these were the most meaningful and adventurous years of my life. This illness became my greatest teacher. And it led me to create Befriending the Future, a program combining my personal insights with my professional discoveries. Professionally, for over 35 years, I've been a strategic coach and facilitator, guiding leaders and organizations to fulfill the futures that they envision for themselves. Befriending the Future is an experience that I have designed to enable participants transform their relationship with the future so that they will better enjoy the present and be readier to whatever the future will bring. To achieve that, we will distinguish together the real future from the one that we automatically imagine in our head. We will explore how those imagined futures are limiting and harming us. Then we will practice giving new futures and receiving new futures from each other. And then we will discover how to meet whatever is coming, not with fear, but with clarity, calm, and curiosity. These practices help many of my clients in their work and life, and they help me daily in my healing journey. They will help you create emotional peace and strategic readiness, readiness to meet opportunities and readiness to meet risks with confidence and power. Shifting the way you relate to the future will transform how you live in the present. If this resonates with you, I would be honored to bring this session to Amsterdam and show people how to turn the future into their trusted friend. Thank you.